simple repair and then test video for this lamp board. I'm not sure what game it's out of. But over time, what happens is these header pins, now these are new header pins here, but here's the older ones. You can see maybe that somebody has tried to re-tin them over time. They just wear down. And the other problem with this board is you develop fractured solder joints at the header pins. Now, it's an odd board, doesn't take normal header pins. You can get the old ones off by using a pair of sharp side cutters and then split each of the pins individually, and then you can pull that plastic carrier off and then the pins come off relatively easily. Now I've got some longer pins that I use for Bally -1735 displays and for the 40-pin interconnect for Williams System 3 through 7s that I can use on here, and they come up from the bottom of the board and extend out the top. So you just solder them in, good to go. So let's test this one. I've got a computer power supply connected to it. Whoops. And so all those lamps are operating. And the other big problem, let me turn that off, with these lamp sockets is that they develop divots on this pool of solder here. So what you want to do is come in and just reflow some solder onto those things, and you can see that you want it to kind of ramp up to where the pins are going to sit. And I already did that to this board. You can almost not put too much solder on there. And then of course these things here are a little bit problematic, that not the LED but this socket here, these wings become stressed over time and they don't clamp down on the solder pool like they should. And then interior to this, there's like where the lamp plugs in, there's two pieces of brass, and those things become fatigued over time. And so what you can do is reach in there and bend these things toward each other again. It's better to use a pick like this. And then that's a temporary fix. Maybe lasts forever, who the heck knows. Or you can just replace them. And I think these things are about $1 a piece. Thanks for tuning in.